Hello everybody and welcome back to Draconiangaming. I'm Draconian. Today we've got something that I've not played for a while, at least I've not on the video channel anyway. It's World of Warships. I've done a bit more since last time you guys have saw me. I've got a level 4 British cruiser and a level 4 German cruiser. Today I thought I'd go for something a bit different for you guys, just obviously because of the fact of obviously you can see this from the beginning. Where is it? Apologies, not prepared properly. So today I thought I'd go for the US, just to see what's going off. Or should I go for Japan? No, I'll go for the US today. I can always do a Japan on another video if you guys want to see it. If you do, give me a comment below, as per normal. So let's start with a US ship. She don't look like much, but she'll get there. Exterior, apologies ladies and gentlemen. I've recently unlocked flags. Oh, they're already on, so that's cool. Right, so let's give this thing a blast. Operation of the week. I may try that one after this one, ladies and gentlemen, just see what it's like, because I will admit I've not done any of them this week. Apologies to everyone who's been watching, that I've not done any videos for a while and I've just done a massive upload. I'm still having internet issues, I'm afraid, ladies and gentlemen. Virgin are messing me about. I know it's been about 2 months, but they overlooked one simple thing whilst trying to ask for permission to dig up the roads. They forgot to ask the council. Pillocks. So just kind of waiting on them. My colleague Sirisayan has done these for me. For those who may be interested, he's actually doing a 24-hour gaming challenge soon for charity. I will be doing a couple of matches with him and I will post him. Hopefully at that point we might be able to live stream it, so get you guys interactive. So that one, I think it's the middle of next month it's due to happen. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you do want to take a part in joining us, and if you want to chip into donations, I will put a couple of links on either this video or one of the other videos, and then just basically chip in, watch, enjoy. So let's see what's going off. Right. One good thing about starting off at level 1 is you only go against level 1 ships. Whereas you go into the upper tiers, you kind of mix it up between the same tier as yourself, a bit below or a bit above. And I'm going to stay close to some of my pals here, because being level 1, I don't have much firepower, and you are better off in groups. Hope the sound's okay at the moment, guys. I will admit I'm unable to test it at the moment. I have been tweaking it a little bit. Mainly due to the fact of every time I've done recording, it's either been too quiet or too loud. At the moment, it sounds a bit loud in my headset, but when I've been doing it normally, it's turned out to have been quite quiet. Oh, there we go. First contact. All hands to battle stations. Missed. Missed by a mile. That's looking a bit more promising. A little bit up. Yeah, they've clustered like I was thinking that they were going to do. Come on. Hey, finally got hit. Come on, Red Cannon, swing round, swing round. Damn it. Can't do nothing, you're too close. There we go. Damn it, friendly fire, friendly fire. Apologies, guys. Oh, shit. Language. Oh, goddamn, ship's in the way. Right, down to the last one. Oh, that would have arced absolutely perfectly then. Yeah, Scott, I think we did well with that one. We'll try this one. I will do the operation one on another video, just due to the fact of I watched Gold Gaming and Bane and Corey of them try it. And it takes a fair while to complete, and they know what they're doing, and they're all teamed up. Whereas on the other hand, I won't be. So I will do that on a different video for you guys. I hope to have it uploaded soon, but in the meantime, we'll just do a couple more of these. I know I've kind of said to you guys beforehand about this game. It is free to play. It is worth doing. As you can see, it's quite good fun to do. There is an built-in purchase facility. I know a lot of people do it, but to be honest, with some of the ships I've come across so far, you really don't need to. The only thing that I will say is one about my level 4 German destroyer. It's got tons of ammo on it. Apologies, tons of guns on it, but the problem is it takes, absolutely forever to reload the damn thing. So it's a hit and miss one with the Germans, because they've got different tiers, like you just saw with like the US. They've got destroyers, they've got cruisers, they've got battleships, so they all have their own perks. I've been invited to a division? No. Because there's only one division I want to join, and that's the Gold Gaming one. I know I keep on banging on about him, but the simple fact is, I like the videos. I like the style. It's similar to the gameplay that I do. Something I want to actually do videos with them. If they do ever get around to watching these videos, please drop me a message via YouTube, and we'll sort out some other ways for communicating. But I really do want to do some videos with you guys. You'd look like you have a lot of fun. I always have a laugh when I'm watching you guys, so it'd be interesting to just join up. Those people can keep on spotting at the top of my screen. I'm having a bit of a lag issue. Bloody thing. First enemy contact way over there. Don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. Staying with you. Where's the range of this thing? 8.7 kilometers. Jesus. You're just in my range. Apparently my aim's not that good. That should hit. That should hit. Thank you. Don't worry, buddy. I've got you covered. I've got you covered. Whoa, why are you turning? I never told you to turn. This one down. Don't know if I'll take this one out before he takes me. Come on, you bitch. Oh, I've got some backup. May survive this. Come on. Fire, damn it. Get in. Alright, spin round. I've now got ain't much health left, but what's good? Let's see if we can help our colleagues out on this one. If I aim straight between you guys, I should get a nice little silhouette over here. If I went for the fact I had cack or health left, I'd be tempted to ram these. Oh, nicely done. 2 down. Come on. See if I can get a 3rd kill. Come on. Oh, I have. I've got 3 kills. Ah. Come on, let's get up for the 4th. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, it wasn't me. Damn it. So close, ladies and gentlemen. So close. Still destroyed 3. Set fire 3 times. 5 still hits. And 55 on target. So that's not too shabby, I don't think. So I think time for just one more. Then we'll do it. Leave it for today, gentlemen. The reason why I'm doing a short video today is I'm about to head to work for a long, fun shift, which is not fun at all. Joining my colleagues who are watching this one from work, you know what I mean. We have to make our own entertainment. There we go. Oh, nicely clustered. I'm in between two people at the moment, so that's quite handy. Who am I got? So looking at it, for the US cruisers, they've got a lot less health than some of the other ones. It's quite interesting. Let these two guys catch up. I'll see where they're going, and I'm going to follow. So I've got one sticking at the side of me, and one's kind of shifting. Let's stick with this guy, see where he goes. Oh, he's now coming my direction. Slow down so I don't crash into him. One thing that I am currently in the process of doing, ladies and gentlemen, just to make life a bit more fun, is I'm trying to find a HD monitor. I know you're thinking, well, why have you not got one already? Simple answer is I've not actually needed one until as of recent. The monitor I've got now does the job nicely. I've had no issues with it, but I've been playing around with a couple of HD monitors at work, and damn, you can tell the difference. Just still, there we go. In my firing range, right, slow down. Oh, there we go. Couple more. Oh, nice. Right, I need to zoom out for a second. So I'll make sure I went back to crash into somebody. Oh, stop! Come on! Oh, nicely. Damn it. Right, let's swing around, let's join him. Boosh! Right, ladies and gentlemen, that was a quick game of World of Warships. Not a bad battle for that one. As you can tell, I went for the cooperative play, just mainly due to the fact of it's easy to do on lower levels. It's also quite good fun. But yeah, so hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, I shall have some more videos up and waiting for you soon. Hope you like this one. Leave any comments you want to below. If you're getting bored of seeing the same thing, if you want me to try something different, if you want me to shut the hell up more, if you want me to adjust the sounds, if you want to join me, by all means, drop me some comments. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you on the next episode. Until then, this is Draconian, signing out.